Kotak Mutual Fund has launched Kotak Healthcare Fund. The NFO period ends on December 4, 2023 and allotment date is 11th December 2023. NAV is 10 rupees per unit. Minimum SIP is 500 rupees and minimum first time investment is 5000 rupees and minimum second time investment is 1000 rupees onwards. Tax is applicable to this fund. Long time capital gain tax is 10% and short time capital gain is 15%. Expense ratio is applicable to this fund. Exit load is 1% if freedom within 3 days. Kotak Healthcare theme diverse within a certain theme like domestic formulation, generic export, GDMO, CRO, specialty API, hospital, domestic and medical equipments. India is a dominant player in global pharma industry. Third in pharma production by volume, 200 plus countries served, 60% of global vaccine supply, 20% of global supply for generic, and 40% of generic supply in the US, and 25% of all medicine in the UK, and 50% of Africa's requirement for generics. Active pharmaceutical ingredient API is the backbone for successful pharma growth. API is the biologically active component for the drug. It is similar to the raw material. India is the third largest API producer, 8% of share of the global API industry and 500 API manufacturers in India. So we reduced China dependency, also PLI incentive offered by the government, rising demand for formulation, and we are likely to receive global contract manufacturing opportunities. Generic drug is a copy of the drug whose patent has expired. India account for 20% of the supply by the volume. And now why Kotak has launched this Kotak Healthcare Fund? If you look at that major indicates in Nifty 50 healthcare is only 4% and in Nifty 100 healthcare allocation is 3.7% of weightage and in Nifty 500 5.2% of weightage. And if you look at pharmaceutical and drugs, it is 3.5% of weightage in Nifty 50 and 3.2% in Nifty 100 and 4% in Nifty 500. And hospital and healthcare services only 0.5% in Nifty 50 and 0.4% in Nifty 100 and 0.9% in Nifty 500. If you look at other sector like biotechnology and medical research, labs and life science services, medical equipment, supply and accessories, it's very minimal like 0.1% in some of the index they were not allocated like Nifty 50 they were not allocated these sectors. This is the main reason Kotak has launched Kotak Healthcare Fund. Pharma, hospital, and healthcare related stock is always expensive. So we cannot buy, it's always costly. Also, the sector has created large number of billionaire promoters like Torrent Pharma, Abbott, Max Healthcare, Sun Pharma, Dr. Lalpath, Apollo Hospitals. If we look at these stocks are trading minimum 1000 rupees and maximum is more than 5000 rupees. So we cannot buy these stocks all the time and also we cannot consider this stock at all. And also if you look at that profit growth for these sectors, it is tremendously given profit to the investors. Investor who wants to benefit from the structural growth story of healthcare and allied industry, they can consider this fund. This fund is combined of pharma, hospital, diagnostic, healthcare and allied sector. Who all are ready to wait long time, that is more than 5 years and above, they will get reasonable profit. This video is only for knowledge purpose and education purpose. Before investing or considering this stock, you can research your own and you can go through all the document and you can do your own analysis and then you can invest this stock. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your support. Keep on watching R and Millionaire YouTube channel to get useful video like this.